Hello children, we are going to learn something very interesting and very important.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. You have heard this song before, right? We have already learnt capital alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. We are going to learn next alphabet. This is capital Q alphabet. It sounds Q. The sound of Q is Q. We have several words that starts with alphabet Q. Q for Queen. Q for Queen. Q for question mark. Q for question mark. Q for quarter. Q for quarter. Q for quill. Q for quill. Q for quilt. Q for quilt. Let's revise it. Q says Q. Q says Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Q for question mark. Q for question mark. Q for quarter. Q for quarter. Q for quill. Q for quill. Q for quilt. Q for quilt. Now you all have understood alphabet Q. Let's move on to the next alphabet. This is capital R. It sounds R. The sound of R is R. We have several words that starts with alphabet R. R for rose. R for rose. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. R for rocket. R for rocket. R for rope. R for rope. R for rainbow. R for rainbow. Let's revise it. R says R. R says R. R for rose. R for rose. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. R for rocket. R for rocket. R for rope. R for rope. R for rainbow. R for rainbow. Now you all have understood alphabet R. So every day learn it. Stay home, stay safe.